Hey man, what's going on here?
It's the St. Paddy's Day party, man.
So what's the deal, man? Who paid for this?
The company says they did, but in actuality they took it out of our own pockets.
I made $300 this week, so I'm okay with that, I guess.
If you say so. The truth is, if the company didn't take this party out of your paycheck, you probably would have made more like $500 this week.
What the hell, man? That ain't right. I don't pay too much attention to the money I make sometimes, but you're right. It seems I have less money on this last paycheck.
That's true, dude. They took around $200 from each of our paychecks. Funny thing is, upper management didn't get anything taken from theirs. I know this, because I monitor all the employees' pay.
That's fucked up, man. I didn't sign up for them to take money from me. What is up with this bullshit?
That's just the way it is in the corporate world, man. Management will always take shit from you, and the executives will always take shit from them.
Come to think of it, I have a big bill coming up and won't be able to afford it, because they took this money from me. Isn't there anything we can do?
No, man. They have the power, and we have no choice but to put up with it, or we'll lose our jobs. Life is a garden, man. You just gotta dig it. We just have to enjoy this party, because our hard-earned money paid for it, and just die poor unless we can be selfish, greedy bastards like them.
Alright, man. Let's party and get crunk, dude.
Fucking A, man. Let's do it.